show you this one options trading strategy so you can have trades like these. All right. Here's the Tesla chart from July 8th, which was yesterday at the time of recording. So basically, simplest strategy in the game. This could be a relatively short video. I like to look back no later than 7 o'clock. I mark out my low in pre-market here. I mark out my high in pre-market with these. And basically what we're looking for is we're looking for price to break the level, retest the level, or the 9 EMA, which is this blue line you see right here. And then respect that level and continue towards our bias. All right, so we have market open on Tesla. We have our price come down to our level, pull back up, respect, and touch the 9 EMA. We see we get a little push above, but all candles are closing below it. And then we push down back towards our entry. We break this level. I took my entry off of the break here. I trail my stop as the price runs down. I think we went no more than 10% in drawdown here. And we end up making a nice 15 to 20% gain scalping this morning. Here we have Apple's chart. If you look back no later than 7 o'clock. We end up making a low right before market open. Here is our pre-market high. We mark both of those out. We break the candle right off of market open. We wait for it to come down. It ends up breaking our level. Touches the 9 EMA, respects it, pushes back above. We take our entry on the break of the level. And there you have your trade right there. I believe this one went no more than 5% in drawdown, and it made about 40 to 50% and ended up running so much more than that if you held through all this chop. The only reason I would have closed this trade was the break below the 9 here. But, I mean, this was a perfect trade, perfect setup. If you held this all the way, that's an almost 1 to 6 return. All right, on this one, I'll give you all a second to practice. Go ahead and look, mark out your pre-market high, or look at your pre-market high or pre-market lows. Give you a second to do that. And then you see them right there, no later than 7. Mark out our high and our low. We come here, we see we have about 45 minutes before we even get a break of our level. Microsoft pushes up above our level. We wait. Price comes back down to our level. Wicks it. I believe I entered the trade right here off this little bounce of the 9 EMA. We went no more than 10% into drawdown here. See, we wicked the 9 EMA here. And then very nicely, we move up another $3 in price. All of y'all should have gotten that. This was a picture-perfect execution of this play. But on to the next. Here we have Meta, July 7th. We'd see we mark out our pre-market high, no later than 7 always. I usually like to keep it to 8:30, but you see if we mark out 8:30 to here, I guess it wouldn't have really mattered to this one, but there wasn't that much of a range to play. We zoom in to market open. We see right in pre-market, we get up exactly to our level. So we break our level right off of market open here on this first candle. We end up pulling back down below, wicking the 9 EMA. Next candle opens, respects the 9 EMA, and then we take our trade off the break of our level. And there you have it. We move up another $3.5-ish here. And that is a quick 50, 60, maybe even 70% play there. Actually, $4, this could be pushing 100%. If you're wanting to learn this strategy in real time and trade fake money, I would recommend Webull Paper Trade. Webull Paper Trade is perfect for learning new models like this. Just hop on every morning, I only trade Mag 7. I would stick to Mag 7 stocks or SPY. Actually, I wouldn't even do this one on SPY. Uh, Stick to Mag 7, and just do this until you're proud with how you execute it and you're following your rules. Y'all have good luck out there. See you in the next one.